In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you idiolect. What is idiolect? How idiolect differs from one person to another. What are some practical examples of idiolects? Listeners and audience, idiolect is an individual personalized way of language which distinguishes him from other. It is a person use of words, vocabulary, figures of speech, and another forms of language which is different from another person. Listeners and audience, idiolect is shaped by different factors such as education, knowledge, social interaction, and experiences. Now the question arises that why idiolect refers to a personalized way of language which distinguish him from other. Answer to this question is that each and every person, individual speaking, each and every person language is the example of idiolect. For example, when I am speaking, my way of speaking, pronunciation, words, vocabulary, figure of speech, idioms, they must be different from others. When another person is speaking, definitely his words, vocabulary, and grammar, all these will be different from me. On the other hand, a person can use the use of formal language, formal words, and informal words. So one person, he makes the use of formal words while another person, he makes the use of informal words. This is another example of idiolect. And there is another person, when he is speaking with others, he makes the use of idioms, metaphors, similes. This is the third example of idiolect. And as I told you, that why idiolect, it is different from other. One person idiolect is different from another person. It is because of experiences. It is because of knowledge. It is because of education. It is because of academic background and social interaction with other people as well. So idiolect or language, it varies from person to person. So now hope that you know about idiolect, that what is idiolect and what are some examples of idiolect. Thank you.